Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can access and activate the Eyedropper tool in the Pale Moon browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Pale Moon browser on your desktop computer or laptop, and let's assume, for example, you'd like to use the Eyedropper tool to copy the color or specific hex code of a color to use it later for your editing tasks, right? So you can do this by accessing the Eyedropper tool here on Pale Moon. Click into that button in the top left. To do that, navigate to Developer Tools and select Eyedropper. After that, as you can see, the cursor will change its appearance and you will see the current color code, which is of this area here, for example, white or E. But if you want to copy the color, let's say this one here, you will see that the hex color code will be changed. So you can, for example, memorize that color code or click into it to copy it to your clipboard and then use it, I don't know, on other content editing software like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to use exactly that color from the Eyedropper tool here on Pale Moon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.